Welcome to a GameEye2D tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to have the camera follow a rail. Alright, so you see, in the scene, I already have a little rail set up, but I'm going to show you how to set this up. First, I'm going to show you how to make a timed rail focus. So I'm going to go to GameEye2D, Focuses, and let's make a timed rail. So by default, it's just a straight line. However, you can, of course, add curves to the beginning and end. However, for this tutorial, I believe one curve is enough. So, I'm just going to make a basic straight line. You can just drag these curves around. You can also set them manually through the inspector itself. Drag them around and go to the camera. Give it the timed rail. I have a time rail of default of 10. I think that's fine since it was made for this scene. And I'm going to hit play. I don't need to enable looping for the scene either. And the rail is just going to move along. Notice that if I hit pause, I am going to turn on draw debug. And you see, this is where the focus point is. It moves along the rail. So for the next rail we're going to go over is, instead of a timed rail, we're going to go over one that follows the player. So I'm going to go to GameEye2D, Focuses. I'm just going to make a follow X rail because we are on the horizontal axis for this platform. Make the rail again. So the other thing about follow rails is that what the actually follow isn't just a game object. They're set to use the focus system. That way you can have the rail follow something that's leading an object, or just the object itself. In this case, I have a player that has a transform focus attached. I dragged that into the follow rail. I'm going to give the camera the new rail system. Hit play. And there you go. It already follows it. Other things that you can do with this is you can put the player in there as well. And then you can have a sort of system where it's between the player and the rail. So it will be directed, but will still follow the player. Anyway, that concludes this tutorial. For the next tutorial, we'll be going over zooming.